Greetings from sunny Riverside, California. It's a beautiful day as we are headed to the airport to pick up some friends for my niece's graduation tomorrow. She's graduating with her master's degree, so it's an exciting time with family. My sister's driving me in her family vehicle here. That's my sister, Sine. That's a pretzel. We've just been to Trader Joe's. So the reason I am making this video today real quick is because my Aerolarri Hurricane version 2 wheels had arrived at Esoteric Detail. Chet and I were just excited about the fact that they were going to go on the E-Ray hopefully by this week, the first part of this week, before I go pick the car up. And Esoteric has got them on the car, and they've sent me some pictures. So I'm going to show you the video first that will show you the wheels up close when I was there a week ago when I dropped off my E-Ray. And then I'm going to add the pictures at the end of the video. So this is just a raw, unedited, real quick, throw it together, put these up so you guys can see these wheels. Oh, there we go. And that is Ghost Glaze finish on it. Ghost Glaze Polished. True forged wheels. Look how deep that is. Wow, Chet, you did a great job. All right, those are going to go on the car this week as well. So get ready. It's going to look good.